welcome to WiseLink Academy. Today we're going to be looking on how to construct the following angles given below: angle 90, 45, 60 and 30. Now let's start with angle 90. If I want to construct angle 90 using my compass, I'll take my T-square this way. I'll just draw a straight line this way. Now I can just mark here to be my point A and my point B. So I will take my compass, I'll just place it at any point in this middle point here, and just draw my semicircle. As you can see, just draw my semicircle this way, and I can call this here A prime and B prime. So my aim is to construct 90 degree. So I can just place it at this point here, B prime, cut an arc here, come to A prime, cut an arc here. So you connect that arc, this arc here, and I call it my point C. So you connect it straight down to where it touches the straight line here. So this way, I mean this straight down, this point here, it's touching here. So this is what I have successfully construct out 90 degree. Similarly, I can come to this point, this other line here, take a straight line this way. As you can see, let me show you what I'm doing. I can call this to be my point A and my point B. I can just take my compass with any radius of my choice. So just draw a semicircle this way. A semicircle this way. I can call this my A prime and B prime. My aim now is to construct 45 degree. Now, before I can construct 45 degree, I need to construct out my 90 degree first. So how do I do that? Remember that half of 90 is 45. So I place this point here, strike an arc here, and this point strike an arc here. So where they meet, I'll show you from here, an arc here, from this point here, strike an arc here. So where those arcs meet at this point is my point C. So from that point, from this my point C, you draw a line downward, faint line, because we are not constructing 90 degree. You know this 90 degree I did here, I dropped a thick line because we want 90 degree. But in this case, we don't want 90 degree, we just want to use 90 degree to get our 45. So draw to a faint line this way, a faint line. So next up, if I take my compass this way, if I set this point, that is, then given radius of a choice, at this point, strike an arc here, at this point too, with the same radius, strike an arc here. So where those arcs are connected to this middle point here, so connect it here, taking it, that is tell you that from this point here to this point is 45 degree. So this is what I need. So I've taken this line. Next up, if I'm told to construct 60 degree, with the same procedure I did, you take a T-square this way. As you can see, you draw a straight line this way. So you can call this my point A and this is my point B. So with any radius of my choice, I can just take it somewhere here and draw a semicircle this way. I'll be having this semicircle. You can call this my A prime and my B prime. Similarly, at this point here, I can just take any radius of my choice. Just this one, strike an arc here, come to this point A, strike an arc this way. The way they meet here, be my point C. So I can just my aim is to produce 60 degree. This 90 degree I'm using is just for me to make it look accessible, and it helps to produce some of the wanted angles. But in this case, 60 degree, I don't really need my 90 degree for me to produce at my 60 degree. But let's just draw 90 degree. Or in fact, let me just, I can even print out this arc I have drawn here. I can just take my compass this way. So the point, this is my center point here. This center point here is the point at which I draw this my semicircle. This point here, I did this way, I draw my semicircle. So with the same from here to here, from here to this point, the radius from here to this point here is called this point. So where this point and this line meet each other is what? Automatically what? 60 degree. So from here to here is what? My point what? 60 degree. We are going to confirm all this very soon. So next up, I can what? Construct my 30 with the head of what? 60. That is, if I bisect it, half of it will be what? 30. So if I come to this point here, with the same procedure as I did for my 90 degree, 45 degree and 60, I'll draw a vertical line this way, horizontal line this way, line A and line B. Alright, so next up, I what? Just take erase of my choice, cut this semicircle this way. I'll be having this is the center point here. Alright, so this is my A prime and what? B prime. My aim is to what? Construct out my 30 degree. So I already know that from this point here to this point, if I strike an arc here, it is what? 60 automatically. Now next up, I will just take my compass this way. I'll strike an arc here, this way, strike an arc this way, come to this point here, strike an arc this way. So if I now draw a straight line connecting this point and that point here, I'll be what? I'll be having my 30 degree automatically. So that is from this point here to this point is what? Is 30 degree. So we have successfully what? Construct out what you have seen here to be this. But let me prove to you that if you are correct, there's a way you check if you are correct. That is, you place this thing, your compass this way. You see? Let me show you. As you can see, the line here is touching 90 degree. As you can see, let's come to this point here. This is to check if your answer is correct. So take it this way. Show you very well. As you can see, that is, this is 0, this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You can see it's touching my point 60. As you can see, so come to this point here, this way. As you can see, it's touching my 90 degree. So therefore, this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Can you see that now? So I place it at this point too. This point here. As you can see, this is 0, 10, 20, 30. 30. So I've confirmed for those. If you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and like. Thank you. Welcome to Wazling Academy.